The question says a 1/5/8 meter square shaft is turned inside a 2 hole number 1/8 meter square hole until it is in the position shown below. Just like this, show that 16x squared minus 34x plus 15 equals 0. Then solve the equation for x. Now, to solve this problem, what we do is we can easily label the vertices here: A, B, C, and D. That is for the bigger square. Then for the smaller square, the inscribed square, we can use other letters such as P, Q, R, S for this other square. Now, what we need to understand also is the dimension. For the bigger square, we have that we need to find uh, one right angle triangle out of this. We can use this other triangle, triangle QBR, triangle QBR, which looks like this. Here is Q, B, and then R. Then we get the dimension from B to R is this X. So we can put here as X. This is the right angle. Then from Q to R is equivalent to PS. PS, here is the dimension, which is this 1/5/8. This 1/5/8, we will change it to improper fraction, that is 8 times 1, which is 8, plus 5, that will give us 13/8. So the hypotenuse of this triangle is 13/8. Now we are left with one dimension, that is QR. The QR will be gotten from subtracting, since BR is equal to AQ. For us to get QB, we just need to subtract X, which is here, from this 2/1/8. 2/1/8, we change it to improper fraction, that is 8 times 2, which is 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So that will give us 17/8. Then subtracting X from it will give us this other dimension, that is QB. So our QB will be 17/8, then minus X. So what we'll do here is to solve using Pythagoras rule. So using the Pythagoras rule, we'll first express this fraction as, that is 17/8 minus X will give us 17 minus 8x all over 8. That is what this place is. So what we do is to use Pythagoras. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two adjacent sides of a right angle triangle. So the hypotenuse here is 13. We have 13/8 all squared is equal to, we have 17 minus 8x over 8. Then we'll square it, plus x squared. So expanding this bracket will give us 17 minus 8x over 8 in one bracket. In another bracket, you have 17 minus 8x over 8, then plus x squared. Let's clear this bracket. To clear the bracket, that is the right hand side. 17 times 17 will give us 289. Then 17 times minus 8, 17 times minus 8, that is 17 times minus 8x. X. 17 times 8. Then again, minus 8x. Minus 8x times 17 will still give us minus 136x. Then minus 8x times minus 8x will give us plus 64x squared. Will give us 8 times 8, which will give us 64. So this denominator here, everything here will give us 64. Then this will give us 289 minus 163x minus 163x, which will be minus 272x. Then plus 64x squared, everything over 64. Then plus x squared. If we bring this right hand side down, if we bring the left hand side down, we have the square of 13, which will be square of 13, 169. all over square of 8, that is 64, is equal to 289 minus 272x plus 64x square, then plus x square. This numerator is over 64. What we do here is to take the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of the denominator here is 64. So multiplying all through by the denominator, that is 64. 64 divided by 64 is 1. 1 times 169 give us 169 is equal to 64 divided by 64 is 1. 1 multiplied by the numerator here will get the same thing as 289 minus 272x plus 64x squared. Then here x squared, there is invisible one under this x squared. So 64 being the LCM divided by 1 is 64 times this x squared will still give us 64x squared. That is what it will be. So what we do here is we just collect like terms. Collecting like terms, this is 169, this is 289. If we collect like terms, we can take this 169 to the right hand side, and it will be 289 minus 169, then minus 272x, then 64x squared plus 64x squared will give us 128x squared, right? That will give us 128x squared. So we have 128x squared. Since we have taken everything to the right hand side, nothing is left on the left hand side, so it's 0. So we can fix 0 here. So again, what we'll do is to have 289 minus 169, which is 220, and that will give us minus 34x plus 15 equals 0. So what we'll do again is we are almost close. What we need to do is to check if this expression is factorizable. If it is factorizable, then for sure we'll get the equation for this x. So what we'll do is to look for a number that can go through all these numbers without a remainder. So we'll have something like this. So if we try 8, that is 120 divides 8. 120 divided by 8, which is 15. We'll also check, so since 120, 8 can go through 120, can 8 also go through 272 and also 128? It seems 8 can go, so we will use 8. So 8 goes through 0 is still 0, because 8 goes through 120 is 15, minus 8 goes through 272x is 34x, then plus 8 goes through 128 is 16, that is 16x squared. So the equation can be written as 16x squared minus 34x then plus 15 equals 0. Now we have solved the A part of the question. The B part is to solve this equation for x. To solve this equation for x, we can simply apply the general formula of the quadratic equation. The formula is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So then, where b here is minus 34. So minus 34, minus in the formula, minus b is minus 34. So we use minus 34 in the bracket. Then plus minus the square root of minus 34, we'll square it, and plus 16 times 15, 6, 0, 0. And all over 2 times 16, that is 2 times 16, that is 30. Then 34 plus minus 1156 minus 960. So 196. all over 32, which is equal to, we have 34 plus minus the square root of 196, 14 over 32. Therefore, x is equal to 34 plus 14 over 32, or x is equal to 34 minus 14 over 32. So now this 14 plus 34 over 32, or x is equal to 34 minus 14 over 32. So this is the answer. Reducing it to the lowest term will give us 48. Thanks for watching. My name is Richie. You can do it to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to ask any question. If you have any other problems too, you can contact me, solve your problems, and you get the solutions right. Thank you.